Hello traders, welcome back to another video. Well, I hope you started your Monday very well. For me, I started my Monday pretty nicely. Today actually I'm going to look at Nasdaq because Nasdaq yesterday gave me my best trading setup. But I'll also look at gold and oil and show you the traps. When you look at these setups over and over and over again, you know when your setup is forming and when a trap of your setup is forming. The market tries to manipulate you to think that your setup has formed, and then boom, they take your money. So, simple strategy. We have, this is our high of the day, this is our low of the day. And as usual, the first hour sets the high and the low of the day. That is 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. New York Standard Time. As you can see, this is our low of the session. This is our high of the session. Now, yesterday, Nasdaq was in an uptrending, a creeping trend that was bullish. So I was just in my mind, I was telling myself, this is a potential instrument that we might have an explosive move, because all these stairs, this is money. The money, where is the money? So as I was watching this market, they came and they even broke out of the high of the session, then gave us an M pattern, and then a break of structure. As you can see, there was someone who was asking, break of structure. This is the break of structure. You see, they went higher, then came down, then went higher, but they failed to break above the previous high, but they broke the previous low. So that is the break of structure. So now the break of structure signals that that trend is over. Potentially, you might be looking at a reversal. So, as I was looking at this market, I was telling myself, this is a potential market if the market is going to cover this area, if it's going to come and retest this area. Potentially. As you can see, because I was thinking, if they gave me a setup at this round number, then I'll have to have a very big stop loss, because we still have this imbalance here, because this is an explosive move down. So if they were to pin or come back and retest this area, that would have been my best trade setup, because we have a creeping trend up, so we have money. Then we have the M pattern, break of structure, retest, then covering that imbalance, so that I can be sure they are not coming back. When I enter, they are not coming back. They are going down to get the money. So that is what I was waiting for. I was waiting for them to come and at least cover this imbalance. And that is what happened. Look at that pin. Look at that pin. They went back and cleared that imbalance. Another pin with the engulfment. Boom. That is my entry. After that, after the close of that candle, that is my entry for 50 pips. So anyway, I was a bit distracted and I got in a bit later. Well, but Still, it gave me my 50 pips. Simple. When you know what you are looking for in the market, it becomes so easy, so simple. Because I know this is the low of the session. This is the high of the session. This is where the money is. My target is at the low of the session. 50 pips. I'm out. So I hope you saw how simple it is when you make your setups as simple as possible. And when you know the traps, well, when you lose money, you know all the traps because you learn from your mistakes. And losing money is a lot of pain. That is not fun and games, losing money. So this was my best trade setup yesterday. Now let me show you in gold. Gold gave us a trap yesterday, but I saw them. Now it's a trap to those guys who trade the pump and dumps. Now, as you can see, we have our low of the day. Low of the day, high of the day. Then the first hour usually sets the high and the low of the day. Now, when the second hour gave us this pump and then gave us, just look at this setup. This is the M pattern and break of structure, but they are in a hurry. To me, this is being in a hurry. So they are trying to get those traders who went long on this move. So this is like a stop hunt. Because why are they in a hurry? If it's a setup, if it's a pump and dump setup, a nice pump and dump setup, they push people higher and then they trap the money above. Then boom. But once I saw they were in a hurry. Now if you look at this setup, where is your entry? They've broken structure. Retest. Where is the engulfment? This is the engulfment. So there is no setup here. This is not a setup. Oil yesterday, my bias was going higher and higher and higher. And that is what it did. But, well, actually, they gave us a pump and dump. But, well, I had already gotten my 50 pips. But, as you can see, now this is a nice pump and dump setup. Once they are trapping money up here. But, you see, sometimes let me show you. Without any hindsight, this is where you get trapped. They come, break of structure. As you can see, there was the break of structure here. Then, so you're looking for the engulfment. This is the engulfment at 9:30. And then, boom, you're stopped out. So this is one of the biggest challenges in the pump and dump setups. But I have come to when you're looking at these setups, you will see, and you'll have that sense. It's like a sixth sense. You know, this is not my setup. And if you have any doubt, if you have any doubt, it's best you just observe the trade rather than taking a trade that you are not confident in. Observe the trade, observe how it forms, so that the next time you know what you want in the market. So yeah, I hope I I hope you got value from today's video, guys. Stay disciplined, stay focused. See you in the next video. Peace out.